Well, hello there. Washington State Picker here. I am off location at my place in Oregon for the weekend, and I decided I would do a picking video. Jeffrey Post had sent me a bunch of locks. If you haven't watched that video, please do. He's very generous. I have a couple of his. I'm going to try to pick this one today on camera, and hopefully I'll be successful and we'll get her gutted and see what's inside. Been able to pick this lock quite a few times. Bidding's quite interesting, really. There's really nothing to it. It's very high, only one low spot, if you can see it. Not getting the best lighting in here right now, and I apologize. Anyway, there's the bidding. Key works great. Let's get this thing picked. I want a successful video after my failure of Bears Pack's lock. It's a good lock. I'm going to try my new Sparrows DeForest Diamond. Bottom of the keyway. I just got these picks yesterday. I bought Sparrows Euro hook and some standard short hook or standard long hook from them. Oh, she's open already. That was too easy. I wanted a little more challenge. Get her out of there. See, she's oop, where are you? She's open. Anyway, it's probably practice makes perfect. I've done it so many times. Now for the fun gutting experience, everyone. Let's see if I can get it. I'll try to do it on film, heck. Let's see if I can get this out. These things are a pain in my butt. I need a sturdier pick than the Sparrow's flimsy thing here. Let me get nasty, deep Peterson hook that's stiff enough to get in there and hold that down, I think. I may have to break down and buy me one of these tools, although I've watched other people have issues with them, so I don't know. I do not know. There's another pick that worked really good for that. Maybe it's this one. I haven't messed with these locks in a while. My allergies are bugging me, guys, so I apologize for the raspy voice. It's been a bad year. Of course, I don't take meds for it. You son of a gun. If anybody knows an easier way to get these out, let me know. Bet if I didn't shake so much. First time I took one of these apart was one of the locks that I bought from that real estate company, and I didn't know what I was doing. I just yanked it off. I screwed everything up. I took pliers and unscrewed it. You stupid. She's locked, so she shouldn't be spinning. This lighting in here is horrible. I apologize. Why aren't you turning? Let's see. Sharper hook here, Sparrow's little sharper hook. I'm going to set her down. I got my big camera tripod finally out of my shop. I've been meaning to get it for the last 3-4 weeks, and I keep forgetting, and this thing ain't turning. Come on. There, she's starting to turn. You pinhead. Anyway, there has got to be an easier way. Let me know what kind of tool I need, because I see some of them are like $100 almost, and some are like real cheap. If you can give me a brand name that's not too expensive, I would appreciate it. Can't put this on camera. You probably don't want to be watching this anyway. I may do the fast forward through this crap. It's kind of ticking me off here. Help if I could see. My lighting was better. Come on. I don't have my screwdrivers. I might have one in the drawer over here. Hang on. Screwdriver's probably better. Smaller one on that. Let's see here. Oh, yeah, this will work better. I apologize, guys. I should probably be getting one of those tools anyway. There, we got her. Oh, you son of a... Little more. Stay down. There, we got her. Okay, now we'll put you here. Pinning tray. Dump my spring out. Spring ain't coming out. That's fine. Key in, and I did not bring shims. I am such a doofus. Well, you shall do it shim free. I cannot believe I didn't bring shims. I thought I threw some in one of the baggies. Oh well. If you turn that way. Let's see here. This may or may not work. I don't know. Okay, it worked. Well, looky here. That is quite interesting. Wow. It's got some serious machining done on slot number 3. Watch the key come out. And looks like threading in 5, 4, 3. And 3's also got some grinding done on it. And 2 and 1 seem stock. So, call this pin 1. Nice looking pin there. Pin 2. I'm doing them in the right order, Bears Back. Are you proud? Oh, that's all we had was 3 pins. No wonder it was easy. Wow. There's 3 pins. You see the work done in there. See how I wallered out number 5, number 3. You can see the threading if I can get a focus. Wow. 3 pins. No wonder it was so easy, man. So, tweezers. So we will go okay, why are you stuck? There we we go. Okay. Little guy don't want to come out. Wow. Big deep spool. A 3-pinner, huh? Never thought I'd see that. So we have flip these around. We have serrated in 1, deep spool in 2, and standard in 3. And the springs, could not get them to come out. Oh. So he must have done some threading there. He did some work up here. It's like he plugged the other. Get a flashlight. Uh-oh. I'll be right back. I do not know where my girlfriend keeps the flashlights, and I don't think I can turn my flash on. I can't. There is something in pin 5 and 4. Looks like something is in there. They're either stuck or they were just glued in there somehow. I don't know what's going on. Can't get the spring out either. That is very strange. I don't know if somebody else picked this lock and lost something, or if you're going to have to answer, Jeffrey, tell me what the heck's going on. Anyway, these pins are very well done. Oh, my camera does not want to do what I want it to do. Shoot. Oh, you son of a gun, I'm dropping everything. Look at them pins, pretty cool. Alright, Jeffrey, thank you. I got another lock I've been able to open. A little more challenging than this one, but I will do that lock on another day. Maybe next week while I'm out with my sister camping and deep sea fishing, I'll do an on-location pick and gut for you folks. She wants to see how locks come apart anyway. Once again, thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please do so. I need all the help I can get. I'm trying to figure out what to do for 50. And it's taken me a long time to even approach that number. So if you have any buddies that like to watch people screw guts up, tell them about me. Anyway, guys, be kind to one another. Thanks again, and I will leave my email in the description so you all can contact me if you have any questions, comments, jokes, whatever. Guys, take care.